The long-awaited and highly anticipated retrofit kit has finally arrived. Today, we will unbox our 24-inch octagonal model, but be aware it also is available in 30 and 36 inches. It is important to us that we package our products securely with the best protection in mind, so you, our customer, does not have to worry about damage done in transit. First is the item that contains all the pieces for the kit itself. There are 8 stop connectors that are used to join the pieces together, along with 1 grease tube, 8 screws that mount the pieces to the stop sign, one out of the 8 sides has a stainless steel connector that attaches to the control box wiring. All sides are fully integrated with red flashing LEDs and adhesive backing, giving you options on how you want to mount the kit onto your existing or new MUTCD stop signs. Next is one solar-powered control box. It is 15 by 13.75 by 1.75 inches in size, equipped with a 15-watt solar panel. Lastly is one hardware kit to mount the control box to your pole to complete the final look. There you have it, a kit with the perfect fit. Shop now at ledlighting-solutions.com or call the number on your screen. Can't wait for you to shop this amazing product.